In this video, I'll show you how to create inventory products in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so your catalog stays organized and your sales forms pull the right prices, costs, and tax settings automatically. From the dashboard, go to Sales on the left and open Products and Services, which is your master list of everything you sell. Click New, then choose Product to set up a physical item. Use Service for non-inventory work like consulting. Enter a clear name, optional SKU, and a customer-facing description, then set the sales price and your costs so profitability reports make sense. If you track stock, turn on quantity tracking, add the quantity on hand, pick the inventory start date carefully, and set a reorder point if you want low stock reminders. Choose the correct income account and the inventory asset, expense accounts if prompted, and mark taxability based on your sales tax setup. Save, and the item appears in your list ready for invoices and sales receipts. QuickBooks will auto-fill details when you select it, reducing manual errors. You can edit items anytime, or make them inactive to keep the list clean without losing history. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make inventory and sales faster and accurate.